You gotta sit up.
I look taller than
back up, sit up.
This chair does not go up.
No, it's not the chair. You see me on the chair?
You should.
No. You always gotta look there. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is LadyJessG here, and today I have a special guest. This is my son, Josiah.
Hello everybody.
My son is definitely a curly hair boy or guy. He's 14 years old and he's embraced his curls also. He used to shave his hair a lot, you know, more low, and he didn't have curls, and now he likes curls. So we are experimenting with his hair too. He has thicker hair than me and is curling now, so we are experimenting with his hair. But today we come to you with a video introducing that I became a Sheabassador this year for 2018, and I'm super happy and excited. How much do I love Shea Moisture?
A lot. A lot.
For years, right?
A lot.
So anyway, when I became a Sheabassador, I called him and I told him, and he was so happy, right? You were happy? Mm-hmm. Anyway, I got my first box today, and I want to unbox it with Josiah, and I also included him in this video because I'm going to use the skincare product on him and on myself. So we're going to experiment with it, and then we're going to review it on another video. So anyway, let's do the unboxing. Josiah, here, you can start. Show them this part right here, which says hashtag a million ways to Shea. So these are boxes that we get, the Sheabassadors, with product. It could be hair care or it could be skincare, and I think it could even be makeup from Shea Moisture. And this is what we received. This line, it came with a book too. This line is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Clarify and Refresh Blemish Prone Skin. So this is a skincare line. And as you know, 14-year-olds, they at times struggle with acne. So Josiah's been a bit breaking out here and around here, right, Josiah? You can't stand it, huh? So we've tried things with him and everything, but I was happy to get this so that I could try it on him also and on myself, because I get acne at times too. So talk to them about acne.
It's not fun. I don't like them. Once I see them, I wanna like, I don't even know. It's just crazy. I just don't really like them. And
you start squeezing them and all that, and what I tell you.
Not to do that.
Yeah, so he's always scratching and squeezing them, and I told him he's gonna leave scars. So we're gonna try this Black African. So let's introduce to you what is in this box. The first thing that was really cute is this, it's like a bandana, or like a headband, really, not a bandana. It's like a headband, and I'm assuming this is to put on your head so you could wash your face and your hair not to get in the way, if I could get this right. And it's stretchy, so I guess I'll put it on and get my hair out of the way and wash. Josiah doesn't really need that. This is the Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub, all for the body, with tea tree oil. So this is even good because sometimes he gets a little bit of acne in the back and in the chest a little bit from the whole being 14, you know how it is. And this is really good because it can exfoliate. So it has African Black Soap, Bamboo Charcoal, and tea tree oil. Really, really great ingredients for acne or just exfoliation, which is really good. What's next? You want to read what's next?
The Bamboo Charcoal
Detoxifying.
Yeah, detoxifying foaming facial wash.
And what does it say there?
With aloe.
Alright, so aloe, if you don't know, is amazing for the skin. I have an aloe plant and I love to use it for DIYs. And this has aloe in it, so this is a good facial wash. So we're going to be using this to wash our face at night and in the morning, and try to see if it helps you, okay? And this also has African Black Soap, Bamboo Charcoal, but the difference is it has aloe, not tea tree. And then the next product that we have is the Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer. You see that? Let me see. Let it autofocus. Okay. Let's open this. This is a moisturizer, which... Do you use moisturizer? Do you use a cream? I gave you a cream for your skin?
Yeah.
You use it? Okay. So let's see how this one is. Oh, it is like a jelly. You smell it.
It's like, it looks like Jello.
Like a gray Jello. Can you guys? Woo!
It fell.
I don't want it to go to waste. Okay, hold up. Okay, so it's very liquidy. That we learned.
It just came out.
It's not a creamy, thick moisturizer. It's a gel, like a jello-y moisturizer. So I could see that's why it has aloe in it. It smells like typical Shea Moisture kind of scents. And so it's hydrating, and yeah, it has the same ingredients as the foaming facial wash. I didn't show you the foaming facial wash. Is it? Do you see it focusing? Hopefully it is. This is the only one. The body scrub is the only one that has tea tree oil, which I love tea tree oil. So healthy for the body. And we're super excited to try these products. I am already a Shea Moisture believer. I've been using Shea Moisture since 2013 when I started my natural hair journey. So I have some of their makeup and I have a lot of their hair products, and I love it. So now I'm really excited to try this skincare and then also try it on my son because he needs it right now. So we want to, it came in the right time because he's been telling me, Mom, whatever you bought me is not working. So this came in the right time. So we're going to try it out. So we will come back with a review on how it worked on my skin and on his skin, and we'll let you know an honest review, right? We got to be honest. You got to tell them if you like it, if it worked, if you didn't see a difference or anything. So you ready for that?
Yup.
And you got to be dedicated every day. All right? Alright, well that's it for the unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Bye. You don't like me to put lipstick on it?
That's a cutoff right there.